Hi everyone, and welcome back to Earl Can Garage. I made a video a while back introducing you to my 1975 Ford F250 Highboy four-wheel drive. It got deleted from my post for some reason. It's a beautiful truck. I have to build a motor and a transmission for it. Otherwise, it's in impeccable shape. Has a nice spray-in bed liner. The interior is real nice. A little dirty. It's in great shape. A little bit of a nitrous oxide bottle in here in case you want a little extra boost. Super clean. Nice solid truck. Good nice all-round look of the truck. It needs a little bit of cleanup, a motor, transmission, and she'll be going down the road like a champ. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.